Today I am going to discuss about Ebola disease. So this disease we are going to discuss about the causative agent of the disease and what and all it shows the symptoms and what are the course of treatments to prevent this disease and how to cure the disease. So the learning objective of this disease study is to find the epidemiology and prevention measures and also find the strategies to control the disease. So Ebola, this comes to be a very serious and life-threatening type of disease. This mainly causes hemorrhagic fever. So this is a viral infection that damages the blood vessels and leads to a severe hemorrhage. And earlier in 2013 to 16, it was found to be an outbreak, and more than thousands, that is many people were reported in around 10 countries. The outbreak cause of this disease was reported in Western, Central and East Africa, and this virus started in due to the antelopes, fruit bat and non-human primates like apes and monkeys. And how this spread means, this mainly the responsible for this is Ebola virus, that is ortho-Ebola virus. This contact by body fluid. The body fluid includes the spill of human body like amniotic, breast, milk, pee, urine, stool, semen and saliva and sweat also. The course of disease, how the pathogenicity is there and how the infection is there, we are going to see. The first symptom of the disease is the headache and leads to fatigue and slight fever. There will be pain in the muscle and that leads to soreness. And this was leads to sudden high, that is around 10 days after, sudden high fever will be available and there will be a vomiting problem, and the passive, that is spread, will be there, that is the blood will be, the sample will be introduced. In the 11th day the virus will be started infection in the brain. It will damage the blood vessels and this will leads to hemorrhages, and the bleeding will be usually from the nose and mouth. Even the eye and anus will be also bleed when there is a severe infection due to hemorrhagic problem. And finally the day 12, there will be unconsciousness and there will be a massive internal bleeding, and finally if it is not treated and they are not taking any treatment or prevention strategy, means it leads to a death. So the type of Ebola virus that cause this Ebola disease, there are a various group of virus available, that is Bundingyo viruses and Sudan viruses, Tavio forest viruses. The Ebola virus is mainly that causes, the Ebola outbreak is to cause death. How to prevent this disease means, the disease can be prevented by taking the measure to stop the spread of disease. This includes the similarity with the yellow fever and malaria, and usually the diagnostic study will confuse with that. The treatment purpose of the disease is a monoclonal antibody treatment package that is available, that is Bendanga and MSF antibody packages. Other than that, the spread of treatment can be reduced by oxygen therapy, that is pain reliever can be given to reduce the pain, and dehydration has to be reduced, and the blood vessel hemorrhages can be controlled by giving vasopressors, that is the blood pressure will be controlled using this. Thank you.